because traumatic brain injury is so heterogeneous, it encompasses a wide swath of both injury types as well as backgrounds and comorbidities in people. And in order to be able to study whether there are any differences between men and women, you have to get a broad enough swath of the population to be able to try to control for the factors that may not be related to male-female differences, but might be because of other comorbidities, or that this actually is a different type of injury that occurred in this patient versus the other patient. So for instance, if you're recruiting from an acute population, you don't know what's going to be present in the patient until you see them show up. So someone in a car accident might have a different type of injury than someone who was fell down. Even though their mechanisms, even people who have the same injury mechanism may have differences in their underlying response to the injury. And you need to have a big enough sample of the population to be able to tease out the degree of influence from sex differences on top of other factors that may also provide some variation in the group you're studying. So, I mean, we study people with all sorts of injuries. So any takers who show up in an emergency department where we have one of our study sites, we don't select for anything. We take all comers, and it's more in terms of, do they want to participate in our studies? Then we will screen them, see if they're eligible, and then have them sign informed consent before they participate. So, the opportunity to interact with people at all different levels of interest and research experience, ranging from laboratory scientists to clinicians to patient and patient families. And social workers who have an interest in TBI and who may notice different aspects of the spectrum than I'm focusing on, but may have insight into how we should go about addressing this problem or its impact on people.